Everybody, this is Brian from Carving is Fun, and I want to do a little quick highlight on a really good brand for beginners trying to get into Whittling wood carving. I get this a lot because people are looking for affordable tools, but yet nothing cheap or crap or anything like that. So I have here on the table probably about $700 in different Beavercraft products on here. I've probably spent over $1,000 on Beavercraft stuff over the couple years here I've been doing this channel. And really, if you're trying to get the best bang for your buck, this is some of the better stuff to go through. And just for comparison, like here's $100 in file chisels. Notice you only get 3 in a little sharpening stone. And if you want like comparison, like $500 in file, which is again like a higher end tool thing, you can get like a whole bunch of stuff here. But those two tool things itself is almost as much as all the different tools I have here on the table. And I'll go through all of the stuff I have up on here too, but it's just the price of what you're getting for a lot of this stuff is really, really good. Beginners and hobbyists can get like everything that they need in like one set. Like if I were to pull this one, this is one of their deluxe sets. You can do everything from like whittling wood carving to spoon carving with it. And it comes with a leather strap and a nice holder. You get a whole bunch of different tools up in there. So really, this was like $130, $150. Very, very affordable. All my experiences, the tools come razor sharp. You won't have to sharpen them at all. Just keep them honed while you're using them. You'll be really good. Let's start going down like a list here. Let me clear this table up so we're not distracting with too much stuff. Give me one sec. Just starting off, if some of you are just getting into whittling wood carving and you just want a basic knife to get started with, Beavercraft has their C-Chew carving knife or cutting knife. This is really all you're gonna need to get started. It is super affordable. For me, it's less than 15 bucks just for the knife. If you wanted a version just for kids, this one is their C1 beginner's knife. It comes with a little sheath. The difference between these two primarily is the C1 has the curved blade to it and it's not a pointed tip, so less likely that you're going to cut yourself or accidentally poke yourself. And it has a little finger guard in there, so you won't accidentally slide your finger up and cut yourself. So this one it's pretty good for kids. It also has a smaller handle on it, so younger wood carvers won't have to worry about it like being too big for their hands. It should fit their hands pretty nicely again with that little finger guard on there. They're less likely to hurt themselves. And since it comes with a little sheath on there, you'll protect the tool, and it's less likely that they'll damage it during storage. And also when they're like, if they put it in a bag or something like that, they're not gonna accidentally cut themselves if they reach in and just grab it. This one you're gonna probably want a little holder for it, but if you're looking for a good beginner knife and you just want the knife, these two are gonna get the job more than done for you. Now moving on to Beavercraft's like more complete kits where it comes with more tools in there and extra supplies. We have the S13 spoon kit and the S15 like basic whittling and chip carving kit. Both of these come with 3 different tools in there and leather strap and honing compound, all in a nice little rolling case here to help protect your tools. So you have various different tools in here. If this right here looks familiar to you, like you see a whole bunch of the cheaper sets out there, this like off name brands or China name brand stuff, they are copied exactly from this kit. This kit is probably the most copied wood carving kit that you're going to find on the market. All the other stuff I've seen and purchased online to compare against the Beavercraft kit are inferior. They don't come sharp. They come with dings and chips in the blades. If you really want to get a basic good all-around kit, get the S13 Beavercraft spoon carving kit. I believe this is less than $40 USD. It's, in my mind, still affordable. You get the stropping compound in there. You get a leather strop to apply it to. You get a basic Sloyd knife to take off a lot of the wood, a nice little detail knife to add nice little intricate cuts, and then you get your hook knife in there as well. So good little kit to start off with. And then if you just want to do regular whittling or chip carving, not worrying about spoons, they have similar kits with the leather strap and the honing compound, but you get a roughing knife, a detail knife, and a chip carving knife. This will basically do all the normal whittling and wood carving you want to do, minus the spoon stuff, since there's no hook knife to get in there and create a little concave recess. But just this kit alone will get like 99% of any of your whittling projects done. All at a great price. I believe both of these are under 40 bucks each, depending where you get them from. Nice little case to roll everything up with and protect your tools. and just minus the wood and protective gear like gloves, you'll be all set to go. Great little option if you're trying to get into whittling on a budget, or even spoon carving on a budget. I highly recommend these two if you're just trying to get into it and want to see if you like it. Now going into more of their deluxe kits. These are just basically higher end versions of the basic sets that we saw before. They have nicer handles on them usually. They also come in nicer leather packages. Some of these you've probably seen on the channel already, like the little Sloy kit I have here and the big deluxe kit, which is the S50X deluxe carving kit. It basically comes with everything that I would really want in there for spoon carving or even just regular carving. Plus it has a draw knife that it comes with as well. So push or pull. I think that's a pretty cool option. There's also a leather strap that it comes with, and the pouch that it comes in here, it has a shoulder strap on it so you can carry a lot of stuff. They also just sell the pouch by itself, but yeah, it comes with a leather strap in there, one with the suede side, one with the smooth side. Again, like I said in some of my other videos, smooth side is harder to apply the compound to, but it looks nice. The suede side is super easy to apply the compound to, so if you're having trouble doing that, they also send you different colored compounds, so you can go and choose which one you want. If you have any questions on which one or doubts on which one to use, just use the middle one. You'll be more than fine. But yeah, it comes with everything you need in there. Just need some hand protection and wood, and you're good to go for just about any type of carving you want, really. Great little kit. Then if you don't want to spend the 200 some odd dollars on this big kit here, you can also go for the slightly cheaper option, which is I think it's the S18X kit. It comes with most of the other stuff that's in there and a little bit of extra variety. I don't think the other kit comes with like the little push knife like right there, but it comes with a good variety of tools, leather stropping compound, and a nice little leather case in there. And they give you a couple little band-aids in there, which it's good to have on hand. You never know. Uh, just in case you cut yourself. Like I've accidentally cut myself before pulling these out. That is something of note too. When you're pulling them out of the leather, try not to do it near the top because you might slip and you'll cut yourself on the blades. The blades are very sharp. So grab them firmly and pull up. If it's stuck in there, just take it slow. Don't cut yourself. The leather is a bit stiff at the beginning until you break it in. And then they also sell smaller little knife sets. I really like my little Sloyd set here. Different size Sloyds for different projects. I typically use the middle one for just most stuff I'm slicing off wood. Leather strap, has some stropping compound if I can get it out. There it is. Has some stropping compound up in there. This is a nice little just grab and go kit where I can just throw it in my bag and I have a nice little set to just carve wood. It looks nice, easy to access. The handles are really comfortable on these ones, a little bit more compared to the cheaper sets. They also sell like tool holder sets. You probably won't find these things on Amazon. I believe they only sell them on their website currently. That could change in the future. Tool holders are really neat. They hold 10 tools. The bottom is foam. It's more of like a dense foam, so you don't have to worry about accidentally chipping the wood away over time. It protects the edges so you don't actually blunt them if you put them in. It's really nice. Like I have in here like just a basic spoon set that I keep in here. Again, the C2 and C1 carving knife. And then I also have their gouge sets. They have a decent little gouge set that you can buy and check out. It gets the job done for a pretty good price for what you're getting. But yeah, you get different versions. You get some stuff to scoop stuff. So it's like a nice little scoop in there. You got a couple smaller gouges. This one's more like a chisel. Gouges with different radiuses on there. And then you got a little itty bitty gouge right there where just for like fine detail work. There's no V gouges in these ones. But again, great little set for what you're paying for. If you're on a budget and you need a decent set of gouges that come sharp and all you need to do is just keep them honed, give these guys a shot. I think you guys will like them. And then leather strops. They have a wide variety of them. These are just a couple of them that I have on hand here. This size is the one that you usually get inside the kits. It's a basic size. It'll get the job done. Just glue it to a block of wood and you'll be all set to go. They have larger leather strops as well. Again, do what you will with them. Glue it to a piece of wood. That way you have a flat one. Or in this case, the way I like to have this one is I can actually use them for gouges if I just kind of cut my hand a little bit. I have a little bit of a a curve to it. So if I wanted to do something with my, like a spoon carving knife, I can easily make a contour in there for myself to do it. Or you just do your normal stuff and you have a much larger stroke in there to help keep your blades honed. Those are good options. They're cheap. Just glue them to a block of wood and you have a flat surface if you want. They also have their double-sided leather strops, which is handy because I have a 6K grit and a 3K grit on these, so I can hone up the knife on a 3K and I can get it super sharp on the 6K. So it's a great option. Really nice and comfortable to use. It's rigid, dirt cheap. I think this one I got for 20 bucks. Really good price in my opinion. Then this guy is the more interesting one here. This one is meant for hook knives. So again, it's like I can take their Beavercraft hook knife, and their contour that they have here really does follow that the radius of their tools that they sell. So it's a good match. So if you're going to get any sort of hook knife from Beavercraft, grab their strop that's meant for it. It has, let's see if I can get a good angle in here. It has a little groove already cut out right there for the leather strop, and the leather is glued to the wood already. And then they have another option on here for if you accidentally damage the blade or you really do need to sharpen it. They give you different grits of sandpaper that you can interchange out by removing these blocks of wood, which is basically pin the sandpaper in place. And it also has that radius grooved out, so if you need to just touch up your edge on your hook knife, you can do that. Now you can also get the insides with this radius right here. So if you need to just touch up and hone the inside of your hook knife, you got that option as well with the rounded edge on there. Great little option. Again, I think this is like 20-25 bucks. Highly affordable, well worth the money. I recommend it, especially if you're going to be getting any sort of hook knife or something like that. I have a whole video on how to sharpen hook knives, so if you want to check that out, have at it. I'll link it in the bottom below as well. Beavercraft also sells wood. This is their basswood that I have here. What's left of my basswood from their box. I used some of it already. Good quality wood. Noted, I sometimes find that the quality varies from time to time. Maybe it's depending on how long it's been sitting, the source of it. Who knows? Just keep in mind the quality can vary, but from my experiences, it's pretty good quality wood, easy enough to carve. I don't think you should have too many problems with it. Keep your knives honed sharp and you'll be good. They do sell other types of wood, not on Amazon or anything like that, but on their website. I saw walnut, adler, elm. So if you want some nicer quality wood, it's a little bit harder to carve, but has a really nice wood pattern to it if you're looking for the natural wood pattern. Give those a shot. I think they're affordable. It's a great source if you need some quick and easy basswood. I would give them a shot before I start going for any of the other brands online that you see. And then they have their DIY kits, which are great for beginners who have nothing or very limited tools and they just want to get started making a cool project. They have one where it's like your comfort bird, like that. They give you all 2 different types of woods in there, some cherry and basswood. And then you have like your fancy comfort spoon, not comfort spoon, love spoon project here. It comes with a single cutout blank of basswood. Nice basswood to carve, and it comes with the 2 different tools you need in there. This one does come with a knife as well. Then they have their bear carving kit, which is one that I just recently did for the video. It's a little bit more complex than these ones in my opinion, and it will take you a little bit more time to do, but it does come with all the the tools you need inside of there, including the wood. I think it has 2 blocks of basswood, a little universal detail knife, some finger guards, and step-by-step instructions. I have yet to do this one yet, but it looks like fun. It's just a basic wizard carving kit. This is probably going to be the simplest one out of all 3 of these. I'll be making a video on this one as well. But it comes with everything you need inside of it to get started. Awesome. I saw it comes with like a 1x1 by 4-inch block of wood, step-by-step instructions, the C2 knife, and some other basic supplies in there to get started to carve this. This is probably going to be your easiest starter project if you want to actually get into whittling at a really good price. This one's cheap. I think if you just want to get started and you want to see if you like it, grab the wizard carving kit. I think you'll like it. It's pretty simple and easy to do. But just in general, the Beavercraft kits are all good and really geared towards beginners that just really want to get started with this. Like a lot of the DIY kits come with all the stuff you're gonna need inside of there, including like the knife and stuff and whatnot. So they're cheap, they're affordable, they're easy to get a hold of. The edges hold up pretty well on the tools. In my experiences of buying well over $1,000 worth of Beavercraft stuff. Everything came in razor sharp. Nothing came in dull. I think it's a great brand to introduce yourself into whittling and wood carving with, including spoon carving and whatnot. But yeah, I'll have links to everything in the description below. If you're interested in any of it, I'll have it organized so you know in order from how I introduced it into the video. But yeah, they're cheap, they're easy to use, they're very affordable, and again, like I showed you at the beginning, it's like this is right here like $500 worth of file tools. These are indeed a superior tool, but you're also getting a lot of bang for your buck with buying Beavercraft stuff just in general, because like you saw, this is like almost worth the entirety of everything I had on the table at the beginning. So it's really, guys, it's very much worth it to introduce yourself with Beavercraft tools, especially if you're not having any sort of specialization, you just want to try it out. All right, thanks for watching, everybody. Hope you have yourself a good one.